What is the sum of the distinct prime integer divisors of 2016? A. 9. B. 12. C. 16. D. 49. E. 63. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's break 2016 down into a factor tree. 2016 is 2 times 1008. 1008 is 2 times 504. And 504 is 2 times 252. We keep pulling out 2's until we reach 63. 63 is 7 times 9. And 9 is 3 times 3. Putting it all together, 2016 equals 2 to the 5th times 3 squared times 7. The distinct prime divisors are 2, 3, and 7. Adding them up, 2 plus 3 plus 7 equals 12. So the sum of the distinct prime divisors of 2016 is 12. The answer is 12.